Oh my gosh, they just turned down the wrong side.
Yes, they did.
Uncle Brad. And so anyway, I may go down later in the week just to say hey and all that stuff, but I'm not going to be down there for
Are you fucking serious?
You know what he can fix it for.
Yeah.
You know, Mari already told me, right? She said this job is bad. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So to
Frick egg! Holy frick!
Turn one way or the other. You're just swerving back and forth. Turn one way and stick with it, Tina.
Faut pas l'estimer. Ils arrivent. Ouais.
Nobody knows how old the tree was, at least several hundred years old. Last night, the cotton tree fell over during a heavy winds gathered to mourn the loss. Commonly known as a K-pop tree, it was a historic symbol of Freetown.
I did roast garlic in the oven and use that as a smash spread on your bread. That is a smash spread on your bread. Pretty good.
Nice.
Pretty good.
And that bread's not as fattening.